Okay, continuing what I said, I'll go over it again. We take where the hand is and we make a little V at the bottom here. And I'll show you what we're going to do here. And we'll make a little incision there, and a little incision there, and then I'm going to remove that out of there. Trying to show you. Just like that. Just take it several times. See what I did? I come down here and remove that like that. See that? Now, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to, this is the thumb here. This little piece here, that is your thumb, and this is where the fingers will go down here. And then the cane will go in there. So it sort of looks like it's fitting in the hand. See that? Okay. Now, it's time to work on the face. Now, as you all know, I start going from each side, taking the wood off, rounding off. Let me come here, take this off in the back. Okay. Until I get to where it kind of brings it to a point. Not quite a point, but and then I come down about a little over halfway and make a mark, and that's where my nose is going to be. And I cut in, and I come up just like that with the nose. See? Just like that. And I take my knife, and from each side I remove the wood in here. Always make the nose a little bit bigger at first. That's for a reason, because then I can cut it down. And as you see, when I talk about flat plane, it's just a series of cuts, a series of straight cuts. If you watch my carving, and there's where the flat plane comes in. It's basically a series of straight cuts. Alright, I'm going to take off a little bit more wood in here. A little bit more wood in here. Now, as we have done before, come up just above the nose, put a little line, and I come down along the face. Come down along the face. And from that point, I take my knife and I just go around it like this. And I start removing that wood in there. See that? Then what I do, I start cutting back on the face. And as you noticed, I take a lot of deep cuts. Now watch. See that? There's a deep cut there to sort of establish. Now I take a little wood off here on the face. See that? This is why a lot of it's called flat plane, because of the way that I carve. Now a lot of people do not carve this way, and that's fine. We're just now I'm going to kind of bring this chin area down here. There we go. See that? Just sort of bringing that chin forward a little bit. And you notice that I work from both sides. I work from both sides to... Now, I want to establish the ears. I usually use my nose. Of course, what I want to do, I'll come here. And I come on the side, and I simply make like a C. Just come down, and that's where my ears are going to be. So, then I take my knife, and I cut away just like that. And I